Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class.
Hi kids, how are you? I hope you all are safe. Yes, before going to the topic, we should do warm-up exercise. Be ready student. Everyone sit in your place. Close your eyes. Keep backbone straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap children. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay children, take out your workbook. I told you yesterday what I said. Do it 20th one. As check once. Is it right or wrong? What you did. Okay. Chapter number 11. Measurements. Exercise 11.2. Okay. HOTS. HOTS. See, check one's homework. After that, HOTS I will do. Okay. Sneha brought 28 grams 180 mg of gold. Okay. She gave 10 grams 100 mg to make a chain. What is the weight of gold left? Okay. See how much she brought? 28 grams 180 mg she bought. How much she gave to make a chain? 10 grams 100 mg she gave to make a chain. Okay. Remaining how much is there, that one you should do. What is that? Subtraction you should do. Okay. 20th one. The total weight of gold. How much? 28 grams 180 mg. Okay. Weight of gold she gave to make a chain. How much? 10 grams 100 mg. Okay. Now what you have to find? You should remaining gold you should find. Yes. The weight of remaining gold. See what you have to do, you should minus this to this. See 28 grams 180 mg minus 10 grams 100 mg. Okay. Now first of all what you have to do, should draw the column. Ona column. See, gram column, mg column. (28 grams 180 mg minus 10 grams 100 mg. 0 minus 0, 0. In the 8, 0 should minus 8 only. 1 minus 1, 0. In the 8, 0 should minus 8 only. In the 2, 1 should minus 1. What is that? Remaining gold 118 grams. See, remaining how much? 18 grams, 80 mg. Understood? Therefore, remaining weight of gold equal to 18 grams 80 mg. Understood? Right. See once. Is it right or wrong? Check. Otherwise, your whatever you wrote, that one erase and write properly. Okay, children. Next, higher order thinking skills. HOTS. HOTS. What is that? 24. Children, higher order thinking skills. Okay. HOT. Okay. HOTS. HOTS. See, 21st one. The bag of wheat with Raj weight. How much? 10,000 grams. And the bag of wheat with Suraj weight. 11 kgs, 150 grams. Whose bag weight more and by how many grams? Okay, you should find. What you have to do? You should convert into grams. Kgs you should convert into grams. Automatically you can find the weight of bag. Yes or no? Solution. 21st one. To compare weight, they must be in same unit. Is weight of the bag Same, the bag of wheat with Raj. How much? 10,000 grams. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. Weight of the bag of wheat with Suraj. How much? 11 kgs, 150 grams. Okay. So we know that. What we know? 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Yes. That's why 11 into 1000 plus 150 grams. Then what is that? 11,000 plus 150 grams. What is that? 11,150 grams. Okay. Then what you have to do? So you should see comparison both as 11,150 grams greater than 10,000. Yes or no? So Suraj bag of weight heavier by Raj, sorry, by 150, sorry, 1,150 grams. Understood? Heaviness, how much? Heavier by 1,150. Did you understand, children? What we did here? To compare the weight, they must be in the same unit. Yes. See, is weight of the bag of wheat with Raj how much? 10,000 grams. Weight of the bag with Suraj how much? 11 kgs, 150 grams. You should 11 kg, 150 grams. You should convert into the grams. That's why we did like this. 11 into 1000 plus 150 grams. 11,000. See, 11 into 1000 means 11,000 plus 150. 11,150 grams. Then 11,150 is greater than to 10,000. Yes, that's why you should write like this. So Raj bag of weight heavier by 1,150 grams. Understood, children? Write in the workbook. Next, long answer question. What is that? See, children, 22nd one. Second one. Rahul brought in watermelon. Okay. 1 kg grapes and 750 grams apples. if the total weight of the fruits he brought is 3 kgs 850 grams. Okay, what is the weight of watermelon? See, he brought 1 kg grapes and apple 750. Okay, now total weight how much? 3 kgs 850 grams is there. You should find watermelon weight. Understood, children? Weight of grapes 1 kg. Weight of grapes is equal to 1 kg. Yes. Next, weight of apples is equal to 750 grams. Okay. Next, what you have to find? You should find watermelon weight. That's why you should add these two. As weight of apples and grapes together as 1 kg 1 kg 750 grams. Okay, now what you have to do? Total weight is there. What is the total weight? 3 kgs 850 grams. Okay, in that you should minus 1 kg 750 grams. Then automatically you will get watermelon weight. Understood, children? See, total weight of fruits. How much? 3 kgs 850 grams. Okay, then so the weight of the watermelon is equal to 3 kg 850 grams minus 1 kg 750 grams. Then what you have to do? You should do the column first. Kg column, gram column. Okay. See, 3 kgs 850 grams minus 1 kg 750 grams. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. What is that weight? 2 kgs 100 grams of the weight of the watermelon. Understood? Therefore, the weight of watermelon 2 kgs 100 grams. Understood? Write in your workbook, ma.